be decreasing till it gets to the lowest. Okay, that's factorial what? Notation. And this is the symbol for factorial notation in case you are asked tomorrow in the objective. Okay, so this is the symbol for what? Factorial notation, like your normal exponential exclamation mark. Okay, all right. Notation is on the board. Now, whenever, for example, if you have something like this, let's say 3 factorial, what this one simply means, sitting as 3 times 2 times 1 will give you what? 6. Consider the number is decreasing till it gets to what? 1. If it's 4 factorial, it's sitting as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 will give you what? 24. Are you following? Now you can get your factorial notation from your calculator. Hello? Can get it from your what? Calculator. To bring it out from your calculator, for this, what you do, you press 3 first. Have you punched your 3? Then once you have done pressing your 3, then press shift. Press shift. Then down of your mode in your calculator at this part, you see where they wrote S inverse. Are you getting me? Then you punch that button, so the factorial notation will appear. Have you see it? Then press equal to. What do you have 6? So that's how to get factorial notation. Oh yeah, do that of 4 factorial. I'm coming. Do that of 4 factorial. You press 3 shift and this sign. Now that is how to get what? Factorial what? Notation. Now this time, please no noise. Pay attention. For the first question, we have to evaluate 99 factorial over 97 factorial. Please pay attention. These are simple questions that you see from your objective. Yeah, it's on. All right. Now from this place, now there's no way I'll be multiplying 99 times 98 times 97 times till you get to 1. So what do? Whenever you have a division like this, you check what you have in the denominator. What you have there is what? You have 97. So if you want to multiply this, it goes like 99 times 98 times 97 factorial. 97 what? Factorial. What this one simply means is taken as continuation. Are you following? Then all over 97 factorial. What happened? This can cancel out this. Are you following? So what you have there is 99 times 98. 99 times 98. Call it 9702. So that is your answer. Now for the B part, we were given 50 factorial over what? 47 factorial. So how do you go about that now? 50 times 49. After 49, 48. After 48, 47 what? You must put that word factorial. Are you getting me? All over what? 47 factorial. This can cancel out this. Are you following? What do you now have left? 50 times 49 times 48. If you multiply this, what do you have? 600. All right. So number 3. This time you are now giving n plus 4 over n plus 2 factorial. Now please pay attention for this. Now we have value n factorial. Our n factorial, please pay attention, is setting as n bracket n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on and so forth. It's just like when you have your inequality graph. This is 0 point, right? While here you have 1, you have 2, you have 3. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But this time we are taking the opposite of it. So this side are for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. While this side are for 1, 2, and 3. In place of 0, that is where you have your word n. Are you following? So this one is setting as n plus 3, then n plus 2, then n plus 1. After n plus 1 is what? N. After n is what? N minus 1, then n minus 2, then n minus 3, and so on and so forth. The value is decreasing. You can see from 3 to 2 to 1, and to 0 to -1 -2 -3 -4. Are you getting me? So if it's n factorial now, that you start with n. It's just like we start with what? 99. This one we start with what? 50. If it's n factorial, I start with what? N. After n is what? Is -1. Is that is n -1. After n -1, n -2. After n -2, n -3. So the value is what? Decreasing. Are you following? Now for this one now, look at this now. What do you have in your denominator? Is n plus 2, right? So if we want to solve this now, we are starting with what? N plus 4. We are starting with what? N plus 4. So we have n plus 4. After 4, is it not 3? Yes. Then now have what? N plus 3. After 3 is what? 2. Which is what? N plus 2 what? Factorial. Why do I stop at 2? Because my denominator. Okay, I still have what? N plus 2 factorial. What happened? This can cancel out this, right? What is left there? N plus 4, n plus 3. You can leave your answer like this. So why for this, for number 4, we have 2n plus 3 over what? 2n. In place of n now, they are now using the word 2n. Are you getting me? So it's still the same thing. Don't get confused. All right, factorial and factorial. So this is setting as 2n plus 3. After plus 3 is what? Is it not plus 2? So you have 2n plus 2. After plus 2 is what? Plus 1. That is 2n plus 1. After 2n plus 1, what do you know is that 2n? So now I have 2n factorial all over what? 2n factorial. Are you following? What happened? This cancel out this. What is left there? 2n plus 3, then 2n plus 2, then 2n plus 1. So that is for that. Then the last one there is v, which is 6 what? Factorial. And you can solve that with your calculator. So this is setting as 6 times what? 5 times what? Times what? Times what? Times what? So what do you have? 720. So please pay attention. Let's work on this last one. They can copy them. They said express the following in what? Factorial notation. In this part, what they're asking you to do, you are not taking it back to this other form. Are you getting me? It's very easy. It's very easy. All the same way, this one is easy. Now the first one there, for the number 1 of it, we are giving n plus what? 2. Bracket what? N plus 1 and what? N. Now, whenever you are expressing in factorial notation, it's just like this one. Look at this place. What did you eliminate from here? Is it not 97? Yes. So that means what you need here, you need 97 factorial all over what? 97 factorial. Are you following? Now if you are taking it back again. So this one is setting as n plus 2. After n plus 2 is what? N plus 1. After n plus 1 is what? N. I cancel out something for me to have this, is it not? After n plus 1 is what? N minus 1. Then factorial all over what? N minus 1 factorial. Are you following? Because if you cancel out this, you are going to have this answer. True or false? So from there, your final answer there will be this, which is what? N plus 2 factorial over n minus 1 factorial. Don't forget, you always start with this. What do we start? Is it not 9? 9 over what you cancel that, is it not? From this one, what do you start? Is it not 50 over what you cancel that? Why this one? Is it not n plus 4? Then over what you cancelled out? Are you following? So this one here will now be what? N plus 2 over what? N minus 1. Then why the other one? Number 2 of it. We are giving 2n. Bracket 2n minus 1. Then 2n minus 2. So if you want to solve this now. So this is written as 2n. Bracket 2n minus 1. Then 2n minus 2. After minus 2 is what? 2n minus what? 3 factorial all over what? 2n minus 3 factorial. Is that clear? So from there, your final answer will be what? 2n factorial over 2n minus 3 factorial. So why the last one here, which is number 3 of it? We are giving 16 times 15 times 14 times 13 times 12. So if you are solving this now, it become what? 16 times 15 times 14 times 13 times 12. After 12, what did you cancel out? Times 11. That's good. All over what? 11 factorial. Are you getting it? So your final answer there will now be what? 16 factorial over 11 factorial. So that is for that. So you can copy that lemon to permutation.